Manchester City star has agreed terms to join Cristiano Ronaldo. Al Nassr set to sign 3-year deal with the Saudi Giants, as indicated by Foot Mercato writer Sanita Una. Manchester downtown area back Ermic Laporte is set to join Cristiano Ronaldo. Al Nassr this mid-year. Cristiano Ronaldo, born 5 February 1985, is a Portuguese expert footballer who plays as a forward for and skipper for Saudi Master Association's club Al Nassr and the Portugal Public Group. Broadly viewed as one of the best players ever, Ronaldo has won 5 Ballon d'Or cards, a record 3 UEFA Best Player in Europe, and 4 European Brilliant Shows, the most by an European player. He has won 33 prizes in his professions, including 7 association titles, 5 UEFA Champions Associations, the UEFA European title, and the UEFA Countries Associations. Ronaldo holds the records for most appearances 183, objectives 140, and helps 42 in the Heroes Associations. Objectives in the European title 14, global objectives 123, and worldwide appearances 200. He is one of a handful of the players to have made more than 1100 experts occasions appearances and has scored north of 830 senior professions objectives for club and nations, making him the most elevated goal scorer ever. Ronaldo started his senior vocations with wearing CP prior to marking with Manchester, joined in 2003, winning the FA Cup in his most memorable seasons. He would likewise proceed to bring home their back-to-back Chief Association Championship, the Bosses Associations, and the FIFA Club World Cup at age 23. He won his most memorable Ballon d'Or. Ronaldo was the subject of the then most costly affiliation football move when he finished paperwork for Genuine Madrid in 2009 in an exchange worth 94 million euro. He turned into critical supporter and framed a going after triplet with Karim Benzema and Craig Pentel, which was vital to the group winning. For Bosses Association wins from 2014 to 2018, including Lidisma. During this period, he won consecutive Ballon d'Or in 2013 and 2014 and again in 2016 and 17, and was second place multiple times behind Lionel Messi, his apparent profession's rival. He likewise turned into the club unsurpassed top goal scorer and the untouched top scorer in the Bosses Associations, and completed as the opposition's top scorer for 6 back-to-back seasons, somewhere in the range of 2012 and 2018. With Genuine Ronaldo won for Bosses Associations 2 La Liga titles, 2 Copas del Rey, 2 UEFA Super Cups, and 3 Club World Cups. In 2018, he finished paperwork for Juventus in an exchange worth an underlying 100 million euro, the most costly exchange for an Italian club and for a player north of 13 years of age. He brought home to Serie A championship, 2 Supercoppa Italiana prizes and Coppa Italia, turned into the debut Serie A most significant player, and turned into the main footballer to complete as a top scorer in the English, Spanish and Italian associations. He got back to Manchester, joined in 2021, completing his main full seasons as the club top scorer before his agreement was ended in 2022. In 2023, he finished paperwork for Al Nassr. Ronaldo made his global presentation for Portugal in 2003 at 18-year-old and has since procured 200 covers, making his both nations and history most covered player ever. perceived by the Guinness World Records with in excess of 100 objectives at global level. He is likewise the game's all-time top goal scorer. Ronaldo has played in and scored at 11 significant competitions. He scored his most memorable global objective at Euro 2004, where he assisted Portugal with arriving at the last. He expected captaincy of the public group in July 2008. In 2015, Ronaldo was named the best Portuguese player ever by the Portuguese Football League. The next year, he drove Portugal to their most memorable significant competition title at Euro 2016 and got the silver boot as the second most elevated goal scorer of the competition. This accomplishment would see him accept his fourth Ballon d'Or. He likewise drove them to triumph in the UEFA Countries Association in 2019, getting the top scorer grant in the finals, and the latter got a brilliant boot as top scorer of Euro 2020. One of the world's most attractive and well-known competitors, Ronaldo was positioned the world's most generously compensated competitor by Forbes in 2016, 17 and 2023, and the world's most renowned competitor by ESPN from 2016 to 2019. Time remembered him for the rundown of the 100 most compelling individuals on the planet in 2014. He is the principal footballer and the third athlete to acquire US $1 billion in his vocation.